welcome back to the adventure in RC World. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys what the jet sounds like. Found out that the charger, my Hexfly charger, charges the Volante X battery that it takes. And it takes this big old brick right here to fly that. Alright, let's get to it. Guys, this is the jet. We're just gonna plug in the battery. I'm gonna show you guys all the ailerons and everything, and someday we will get it. We will get out there on like Edgewater Air Park or somewhere and get it flying. Man, it's gonna be great, or at least go somewhere, you know. I did this yesterday just to check, and the battery has voltage, so we're cooking. I hate this because it sparks whenever it does this. Show you guys right here. So let me show you. Yeah. So we got left and right. So that's left. That's right. Up and down, of course. Our turning is these. It's not the back tail. Up, down, the motor. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Alright guys, well, that's just a little test run for you guys. This is supposed to be a quick video, and someday you guys will see this thing fly. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. And as always, you guys are watching RC World.